In the given figure, find tan P minus cot R. This diagram PQR given triangle, we have to find tan P minus cot R. In the triangle, angle Q is 90 degree means we have to apply the hypotenuse rule. PQ square plus QR square, that is equal to PR square. PQ square plus QR square, that is equal to PR square. We don't know the value of QR. We have to find the value of QR first. Here PQ value is 12 centimeter given data. Then we have to write 12 square is 144 plus QR square. QR square means we have to find QR square here. Then PR square. PR value is 13. 13 square means 169. Then QR square is equal to 169 minus 144. QR square is equal to 25. QR is equal to root of 25. That is equal to 5 centimeter. Here we get QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Then we have to find tan P from this data. Tan P means QR divided by PQ. QR divided by PQ, that is equal to 5 divided by 12, because QR is equal to 5 and PQ is equal to 12. Then tan P is equal to 5 divided by 12. Is it clear? Next, Cot R, that is equal to QR divided by PQ. QR divided by PQ. Don't confuse yourself, because they given tan P and Cot R. Cot R means QR divided by PQ. 5 divided by 12. Then tan P minus Cot R, that is equal to 5 divided by 12 minus 5 divided by 12, that is equal to 0. Then finally we get tan P minus Cot R, that is equal to 0 here. Is it clear? Thanks for watching.